Thank you very much for following this link. Now I want to discuss on the practical lesson. Even though we are not in a laboratory, but we can remember how we can proceed when we are carrying out some experiment activities. Practical activities of today is the Lucas test. Lucas test is used to distinguish by experiment to differentiate different or to identify different classes of alcohol. First of all, we use Lucas reagent. Lucas reagent, it is a reagent prepared by taking hydrochloric acid, but this hydrochloric acid is mixed with combined with zinc chloride, but this is called anhydrous zinc chloride, anhydrous zinc chloride. Why we say anhydrous is different to hydrates, because when we have zinc chloride in water, this is not anhydrous, because it has water of crystallization. For Lucas reagent, we use anhydrous zinc chloride. This is supporting the bond between hydrogen and chloride. It is strong, and this anhydrous zinc chloride can help the way of breaking the covalent bonds when we are transforming alcohol into alkyl halides. This happens at room temperature. Then, for example, if we have the alcohol which is primary, for example CH2 OH, the bond between carbon, for example, if we want to show the bond between carbon and oxygen is strong because no steric hindrance. At that moment, when we add hydrochloric acid, the presence of the anhydrous zinc chloride, it means that the bond is broken difficultly, and the amount produced of alkyl halide is not enough. When it is not enough, no cloudiness or white precipitate in the middle of the solution, the middle of the liquid phase, is what we call cloudiness. Here there is cloudiness is not present. But if we use secondary alcohol, like what I see here, CH2, CH3, you find that there is a steric hindrance. Carbon is surrounded by other carbon atoms, and this will help the bond to be broken a bit easy. It is not more easy, but it is broken, and the amount is enough to give the cloudiness. Means that here we have OH, here we have CH3. Don't forget that here there is water, and here there is water, but here there is cloudiness. cloudiness, but this cloudiness delays to be observed. When we have a tertiary alcohol, find that there is steric hindrance. The bond to be broken is more easy, is very easy. Then it means that zinc chloride will support hydrogen chloride or hydrochloric acid. Then we'll find alkyl halide. Here we have alkyl halide, and here also we can find, here there is no hydrogen, halogen, CH3, and you find that the way of finding alkyl halide is easy. It means that immediately the cloudiness, you can say that the cloudiness appears immediately. It means that what we want to say here is that if we have, for example, test tubes, in the first test tube there is an alcohol, the second test tube there is another alcohol, and the third one there is an alcohol. But when you find that here there is no cloudiness, here there is cloudiness but delay, but here there is cloudiness but immediate cloudiness. It means that this, you can say it is a tertiary alcohol, and this is a secondary alcohol, and this is a primary alcohol. And the experiment which is done is what we call Lucas test, because we are using the Lucas reagent. For this reason, it can help us to identify, because the general reagent is a dichromacy test which can justify that the compound is an alcohol, but it cannot show whether the alcohol is primary, secondary, or tertiary. Don't forget to click subscribe, notification icon, click like and comment, and give us the comment which can help us to improve the future presentation. Thank you very much.